Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save a location on Google Maps. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Google Maps, and you can obviously select wherever you want. Obviously if it's an attraction you want to save, just click on that. And if you scroll along, you should see the option to save, so you just want to tap on that. This will bring up a few options, so you can either create a new list, you can add it to places you want to go, favourites, or start places as well. So once you're happy with that, all you need to do is select done on the top right hand side, and that will save that location for you. If you want to just pick a random location anywhere on the map, just hold your finger down on it, then do the same again, just select save on the bottom. You can obviously add it to wherever you want on here, and select done. That will save that location for you. And if you want to go to them locations, just select on you at the bottom on your home screen of Google Maps, and you should see the list on there, places you want to go to. And if you scroll down, you can obviously select that place, and that'll bring it up for you. You can also unsave that option as well, just by clicking on saved on there, and clicking on the tick, and then select done. So that's how you can save a location on Google Maps. Thanks for watching.